Today I'll be demonstrating the Fast Fill, Fast Deflate Regulator assembly. The first thing we want to do is make sure that all the valves are in the off position and the regulator is in the off position, or the fully deflated position. So we want to hook up the air from the compressor. We want to hook up the air hose that goes to the packer. And on both of them, we want to make sure the lock pin is inserted. Now that your air lines are connected, safety pins are in, valves are off, we're going to turn on the incoming air pressure. The packer's in the pipe over here. We're going to turn on the fast fill. This will allow the air to come in at high velocity and out to the packer and fill very quickly. Now that the packer has touched off in the pipe, look at your gauge to see what the pressure is. We can add enough pressure to finish packing out to where the packer covers the patch, where the patch is no longer visible, up to 2 psi. We don't want to go over 2 psi. We don't want to overinflate the packer. So I can add more pressure. Now the packer has completely covered the patch. So I can use the regulator, and it will chatter, it will make a little noise. Once it starts making noise, back off just a little bit and then monitor this gauge throughout the curing process. Now that the patch is fully cured, we want to pull the air back out of the packer. So I'm going to turn my regulator off. I'm going to open the drain valve, and I'm going to open this valve that allows high pressure to come through and create a vacuum to pull the air out of that packer. This will take 5 to 15 minutes to fully vacuum that packer down. Now that the patch is cured and we're ready to remove the packer from the pipe, I left a little air in the packer. That makes it easier to float the packer back out of the pipe. If you have any questions, you can contact your local salesman or rep or visit us on s1eonline.com.